In this video, I am going to show you how to record high quality gaming videos with Windows 11 built-in professional recorder. Whatever the game is, it won't lag because it uses CPU power precisely and gives you pro-level gaming videos with no FPS down. So let's see how to do this thing. First of all, in Windows search bar, search Captures and open it. Now, here you see some options. These options are very effective. You can keep these settings as I have done. You can try 30 FPS, 60 FPS. It works both in high and low end PC. Video quality standard or high. This will increase your file size. So now we need to know how to record. You need to press Windows Alt R to start the recording and Windows Alt R also to stop the recording. So please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.